Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to create a pivot table on Mac numbers. Okay, to enable the pivot table option, you need to have the latest version of the numbers application. I think it's the 5.2 version of the numbers application. So do update it if it's not. So pivot table is basically used to represent group data, as in there are three types of products here: apple, mangoes, and orange. So if you want the cost, only if you want the sum of the cost only for one product here, uh, it'll be represented on the pivot table. If you want the sum of the quantity of each product, it'll be represented on the pivot table. So that's how useful it is. So let's see how it works. So you see an option here called the pivot table. You don't have to click on that. Instead, click on organize on the toolbar, click on create pivot table and select on the current sheet. So here now you have to customize it. So let's first click checkbox on cost. So this will basically give the sum of uh, the cost of all the items, not just one. It's the sum of all the items. Now, if you have to, if you want to get the cost for every item, as in the sum of the cost for apples, uh, and in the second row, if you want sum of the cost for mangoes, and then on the third row, if you want the sum of the cost for oranges, then click the checkbox on product. You can see how the pivot table has changed. So it has calculated the sum of the cost only for apples and put it down here, and similarly for mangoes and oranges. If you want the quantity for the sum of the quantity for each item, click on the box here next to quantity and you'll see the difference. And you also have a grand total which gives the sum of the cost of all the products that are available. So this way, pivot table can be used to handle huge data instead of doing calculations manually. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.